are all doing well and you are watching me, that is Stella Sentinel. In case you do wanna check out my previous videos, you can get the links on the description box below. And if you are new, then please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, give a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Now let's come to the point. Whenever it comes the breakfast, especially on the weekdays, it's an egg sandwich that is a foolproof way to satiate your morning hunger pangs. And today I'm gonna show you 5 different kinds of egg sandwiches so that you never have the same egg sandwich twice. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead.
Most of the mornings start out the same. How would I like my eggs today? Fried, scrambled or boiled? How about none of the above? Cause here are the egg sandwich recipes that are first free, easy to make and don't you need to running out the door with a grocery bag. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video. For the first kind, I would recommend you to take a hard-boiled eggs cause clubbing soft-boiled eggs with mayonnaise can make the whole thing a little gooey because center of the egg is already loose and the mayo tends to make it even more runny. So boil the eggs a bit longer. Now separate the yolks into another container, mash it with the help of a fork. Next, I am adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half teaspoon of black pepper and some salt to taste and mix it well. You can use mustard sauce or white vinegar also for some more flavor. Now, I am cutting the eggs into small pieces and gonna add those into the egg mayo mixture and again giving it a final mix. Here I have taken 2 white breads. If you want, just use multigrain breads or any brown breads as per your choice. And cut the edges out as we are making the soft egg mayo classic sandwiches. Now spread the whole thing evenly on the bread with the help of a fork carefully. You can enjoy these in breakfast as well as a snacks with some of your favorite ketchup or the potato chips or the fries or whatever you like. Now cover it with another bread and gently press it with the hands so that it sets well on another. Next I'm gonna cut it diagonally and your perfect soft egg mayo sandwich is ready to have. For the second kind, first we are gonna be making fluffy moist scrambled eggs. Break the eggs directly on your cold pan and I haven't yet started the flame. Now add half tablespoon of butter and turn on the heat. Now slowly run your spatula on low heat generously. At a certain point, the uncooked eggs will no longer flood and the scramble will be collected in the center. Begin breaking up and don't keep the eggs on the flame for long and transfer the whole soft eggs into another plate. Now on the same pan, toast the breads to make it a little crisp from the outer layer. You can toast it using some butter also if you like. Keep the flame on low because if you slowly toast on low flame, it makes the bread a perfect crisp without burning it. Now I'm spreading 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise evenly on the bread and next I'm adding the scrambled eggs right on it and spreading it again. Next, I'm gonna be sprinkling some salt to taste and arranging some thin slices of cucumber on the bread one by one and pinches of black pepper. Now on the another bread slice, spread mayo of 1 tablespoon evenly like before and add some of your favorite red or green ketchup. I have used the tomato ketchup here and cover it and press it gently with the hand to set it well. Now I'm gonna cut it diagonally with a knife and there you go. Your easy to make, perfect on taste scrambled egg sandwich is ready to gobble up. You can have it whenever you want as a breakfast or as a snacks. Just load it with some fries or potato wedges. For the third kind, take 2 well-boiled eggs first and mash it with the help of a fork like this. And this type is gonna be super soft yet with some mild crunches of raw veggies. Next, we are gonna add some freshly chopped coriander, some freshly chopped onion of 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, some salt to taste and 3 mini garlic cloves which I'm gonna add after grating it. though it's optional. Instead, use some instant garlic powder, adding 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice and finally 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and mix all of this straight. Adjust the quantity of the salt as the mayo has also salt in it, and if you prefer green chilies, feel free to add that too. You can also use grated carrots as well, and it's ready. Next, I have taken 2 slices of white bread and cutting the sides off. And I have already said that take the breads of your choice, brown or multigrain bread, whatever you prefer. Now spread the mixture on the bread evenly. Next, I have used 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup to make this red mayo mix. And I'm gonna cover the another bread with this, and you can also use the pizza sauce as well if you want. You don't need to use any ketchup as a dip, as I have already used the mayo and the ketchup on the slices. Now cover it and press gently with your hand and cutting it diagonally, and your soft egg sandwich is ready to have. In today's video, I have shared only 3 types of egg sandwiches, so stay tuned for the next 2 sandwich recipes that I'm gonna share later. And serve hot with some cheese or your favorite potato wedges.
I hope you have enjoyed watching my today's video, and if you try any of my recipes, then please do share your feedback on the comment box below, or you can tag me on Instagram too. So till then, goodbye and see you on my next video.